In this video, I'll walk you through a common situation. Your Etsy listing includes multiple product types, but you only want Artelo to fulfill one or some of them, like unframed prints. Let's say you offer both unframed and acrylic formats. Since Artelo doesn't fulfill acrylic, your goal is to keep those variants untouched while connecting the unframed options to Artelo. This case is ideal if you want to offer multiple product formats within one listing, only connect specific variants like unframed prints to Artelo, and avoid changing your existing listing structure or fulfillment flow. Here's what the setup looks like. Say you offer 12 by 16 and 16 by 20 prints, each available as unframed and acrylic. You're ready to start fulfilling the unframed prints through Artelo, but you want to leave your acrylic options untouched. Let me show you what that listing would look like. Here you see you have two sizing options and two display options, unframed and acrylic. Now let's start connecting the listing. Go to your templates page in Artelo and click Create Template. Choose which store you want to publish the listing to. I'll choose Etsy in this case, but the steps are the same for both Etsy and Shopify. Click Add Product Type. Select Individual Art Print and choose your paper type. Check the box for Unframed. Then select your sizes 12 by 16 and 16 by 20. Name your template and click Next. You can upload listing images here or skip this step if your Etsy listing already has them. Then select your shipping profile, or you can do that later. Now we'll make sure our variation structure in Artelo matches the one we have on Etsy. Since this listing uses two dropdowns, size and display options, we'll recreate that setup here. Size is already listed correctly, so no changes there, but we'll need to add a second variation group for the display options, which includes unframed and acrylic. Change the name here to display options. Then add unframed and acrylic. Even though Artelo won't fulfill the acrylic option, we'll still need it here so the structure matches Etsy. This keeps everything in sync. You can optionally enter retail prices here and listing details here, or you can handle that later. Now hit done. Back on the templates page, find the template you just created. Click Create Product Set. Now add your designs. Give your product a name and then click Done. We'll click Connect to an existing listing. Before we connect, we'll choose what settings we want to override. Variant prices, which pulls pricing from your template. I haven't entered pricing yet, so I'm not going to click that. Shipping profile settings, I haven't chosen a shipping profile, so I'm not going to add that. But variation structure matches the dropdowns we just created, so I will check that one. Now search for your listing. And it's time to match your Artelo products to your Etsy variants. Match 12 by 16 unframed to your Etsy 12 by 16 unframed variant. You see it right here. Match 16 by 20 unframed to your Etsy 16 by 20 unframed variant. You see it right here. Make sure you don't connect anything to the acrylic variants because that's what keeps them untouched and fulfilled by your original provider. Artelo pulled my listing images, so I don't want to add any. I'll keep this shipping profile. And scroll through your variants and double check all your matches. You can now enter your retail prices. Mine were already pulled from Etsy, so I want to keep them. If you want to edit a lot of variants, click Set Retail Price in Bulk, and this only affects the Artelo connected variants. Make sure the prices for your acrylic variants are still correct. Even though Artelo isn't fulfilling them, we'll still transfer that data. Now enter your SKUs. Only SKUs marked with asterisks are required. This one's a bit long. And if you want to change the variant images, click the trash can icon and pick a new one from your listing images. Review your listing details one last time. When everything looks good, click Review Changes and click Publish. Now I'll view it in Etsy, and everything is connected and exactly as it was before. You've now successfully connected only the unframed prints in your Etsy listing to Artelo while leaving the acrylic prints completely untouched. If you have similar listings, you can reuse this template to save time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out case 2 if you're planning to add framing options to a similar listing.